the pocket tool that solves all your thin copper wire problems. Watch till the end and I'll show you how to make it. We're very close to 60,000 followers, and I really need your help. If my videos are useful to you, hit like. It takes a second, but it helps a lot. Let me know in the comments what you think or what you want me to test next. And most importantly, stay until the end because the best part is coming. Let's hit 60,000 together.